Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new here. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create this Christmas village as we're going on into our holiday themed videos. So this Christmas village we make every year, and we take our ordinary living room table, which is a normal glass table, and we just spruce it up and make it look a little bit more festive for the holidays. We thought this would be really great to share with you guys. We've been collecting a lot of these items for a while, and it's pretty affordable as well. So if you guys would like to see how to recreate this, then please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe before we get started. Alrighty, so we're going to start off with, of course, all of the props that we're using to make this. So we have a lot of figurines and trees and such that we got from the dollar store. We wanted to keep all of the little items a little bit more affordable. The things that we probably spend a little bit more money on would be these little houses. We usually collect these houses every year, so every year around Boxing Day we buy one or two of them, and it's just been our way of collecting them to create this Christmas village every year. We usually make it every year, and it's always a little bit different because we always have different items each year. And by all means, you don't need to use the exact same things that we have here. You can use anything that you could find at your local dollar store or anything that you have on hand. So this would be our centerpiece. It's a little Christmas themed park. It also lights up, so you guys will see that later. We also have a barber shop. We have a gift shop. We also have a school, and we have a toy store, as well as a regular home and a bar. So all of these, of course, you can see by the wires, they all do light up. Mostly they just light up in the windows, so it looks like people are inside. But for the purposes of the way we're positioning this, we're not going to light it up per se, but it is going to look nice at the end. You guys will see. So we also have this train set. Now, of course, you don't need this if you don't have it, but we got this around Boxing Day many years ago, and we use it every year to create this Christmas tree. Okay, so first we're going to start off, of course, with covering up the normal glass table, and we're just going to take some fake snow to do that. We got this fake snow from the dollar store, of course. You guys know how we like to use the dollar store for all of our holiday stuff. So now we're adding the centerpiece. So this is the little park that I was talking about, and as you can see, it lights up, and it's really cute, so we thought it'd be perfect for the center. So you'll see we're going to start placing all of the houses that we have. That way we know kind of where everything is going to be placed out before we start adding the little props. So first we're adding in, of course, the smaller houses. I don't want to take the really heavy ones and put them at the top because we are on a glass table, and I really don't want it to, break or anything like that. So we're just putting the smaller houses there, as well as some trees to make it look a little bit more like a real village. All of these trees, again, from the dollar store, really cheap. You don't have to go and spend a lot for them, and you can even make them. They're pretty simple to make as well. So we're taking all different sizes and colors of trees too, just so that it looks a little bit more sparse, like a real Christmas village would. So you'll see we'll start adding some of these smaller pieces, but they're not super small, so we wanted to start adding them in. So we're going to go from the biggest items all the way down to the smallest items as we go along. And we're adding some more trees there. We're adding a little fountain. We're also adding in some different pieces that are like parts of what you would see in a town, like the sign and everything like that. You could see that we're kind of just like scrambling around looking for where it should be. And as you're doing something like this, usually as you're doing it, you'll figure out where things should be and where it shouldn't be. And you'll see exactly where you want things to be as you start placing them. So we have a lot of little pieces here, but all of the pieces that we have are very much on theme for the same village. When you're doing this, you can do it any way that you'd like, but we find the best way to do it is that we find things that are very close in one theme. So if you have like a more reddish and white themed village, like we do here, you would want to get more of the props that kind of match that. And you'll see here that we're also adding in a lot of these little carolers. I thought it brought more life to this whole village. And we're pretty much done with the top of our Christmas village. So because of the shape of our table, that's why we're doing it kind of in a tier sort of thing with it. You'll see later on. But you can see when you zoom in very close to the village, it really does look like a lively village. I know that the aerial view that you guys were having when we were putting it together doesn't make it look like anything really, but you'll see, as you can see here, it looks very much real, especially with the fake snow that we added there. I thought it came out really cute. We even got a little Santa right there. He's hiding in the corner. And I think the best thing about this whole table is this centerpiece. And when you're making this, you want your centerpiece to be the center of attraction, of course. And we really do hope you guys enjoyed this. We just wanted to share it with you guys how we put this together. By all means, you don't have to do it the same way. It will really depend on the shape of your table and the amount of items that you have, how it will come out. And of course, the bottom of our table, we decided to put all of the bigger pieces. And I know that the wires look a little weird because I am zooming in here, but from far away you can't really tell the wires are in the center of the table. So all of our little townhouses are going to be all around the table because we do have a round table. And we did add some of that snow at the bottom just so that it could look a little bit more like the village has, like it's on a mountain of sorts. We thought this looked really cool. Yes, we didn't have enough snow to put underneath there, but what happens is, because of what you're going to see now, we can't put too much snow on it because it has a train going all the way around it. We really hope you guys enjoyed this. The train, I know, is usually something that you would put on the Christmas tree bottom, but we thought this would be a really cool, different sort of way to do this. So we really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment down below what you thought of this video and other videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more videos whenever we upload. We really hope you guys are enjoying the Christmas video so far. Hope you guys have a fantastic week, and thanks for watching. Bye!